Welcome to Singing with Ron! Hello and welcome to this next section of the course, which is on semi-occluded vocal tract exercises. There are many different types of semi-occluded vocal tract exercises, but basically what they are is semi-occluded means that your mouth is partially closed. So partially closed mouth. And when you do exercises with your mouth partially closed, it creates back pressure back onto your vocal folds, which helps to thicken them up. So your vocal folds can kind of get it like this, or they can come together a little more like this, or they can come together in chest voice down here like this. And so that back pressure just helps to make everything work better. The speech pathologists are using straws and are using semi-occluded vocal tract exercises to really help people that have lost their voice or have different weird pathologies going on with their voice, to help them suddenly just speak better and to kind of retrain how their vocal folds are coming together. Also, semi-occluded vocal tract exercises have been proven to reduce inflammation on your vocal folds. So if you've gone out, and gone to a concert or gone to a sports game or just gone to a bar or something like that, and your voice feels like it's absolutely ratched, using a straw, using puffy cheeks, or some of the exercises that I'm about to show you really help to heal your voice again. It helps you. I've used them when I've had to sing in the morning after a night being out on the town, and it's really helped me to get things working again. There's many different types of semi-occluded vocal tract exercises. There's lip trills, brrr, humming, ng, sing. There's voiced fricative consonants. Z, all of those consonants are a semi-occluded vocal tract. And then we have other ones like straws, which are really wonderful, blowing through a straw, and puffy cheeks, and another one called waves in a cave. So those are all the different types, and so make sure you go through all the videos and find the ones that work for you, and work with the ones that don't to try and make them work better for you, and they'll help you to explore different parts of your range. Semi-occluded vocal tract exercises also help you to not push air. If you go, ah, a lot of singers want to do that, but helps you to regulate the airflow all the way through, making sound, and really teach you something that's important to teach singers. So those are a bunch of the ideas, and so great. Check it. I forgot to mention the 3 basic rules when doing semi-occluded vocal tract exercises. Make it easy. Don't work hard to make the sound. Don't be loud. Don't try to make it the loudest sound you're doing. You just want to make a nice, easy, effortless sound. And the third rule is to be supported. Don't be all loosey-goosey. Right? Be connected to your support system. So those are the 3 basic rules of semi-occluded vocal tract exercises.